This is an advanced grout, and what that means is very stain resistant. It's quick drying, and it's a great grout. Okay, so this bathroom is done. The only thing left is the grout, and I'm gonna do that right now. So I just want to talk a little bit about grout. There's a lot of different grouts you can buy these days. I tend not to stay away from the old cementitious grouts, just the standard grouts, and I tend to use the more advanced grouts, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using in this bathroom. So just a note, you're not going to, in the corners, you need a flexible joint, all the corners. So on the ceiling we've got white grout, on the walls we've got dark gray, and on the floor, and on this floor here, on that floor there, it's going to be DeLorean gray. So the grout I'm using is Power Grout by Tech. So I got white for the ceiling. This is actually bright white for the ceiling. This is DeLorean gray for the floors, and Dove gray for the walls. Now this is an advanced grout, and what that means is very stain resistant. It's quick drying, and it's a great grout. This one's made by Tech, but all the manufacturers have advanced grouts. Mapei, Latacrete, Ardex, they all have really good grouts. The reason I use this one, because this is the easiest for me to get, and it's a good quality grout. And Tech also makes the color matching caulks, Dove gray, DeLorean gray, and bright white. They make it a sanded and unsanded. So I'm going to grout this, caulk it, and I'm going to be all done. And what I like to use a square sponge. These Ardex sponges are really good. And I like to use a rubber float with a soft, these rubber floats are really good. This one's actually, I forget who this one's by. I think it's by Ox Tools. But we've got some really good. There's a few manufacturers that make these ones here. Obviously rubber gloves and margin fell. So, and I'm going to mix it with a cordless drill and a mixing paddle. So first I'm going to grout the ceiling, then the walls, and then the floor. Okay, so there's a time-lapse, well, what I refer to as a time-lapse video of this entire shower going together, and I'll put a link in the description to that, and probably in the cards as well. And I will soon be doing a few other videos of this entire shower going together, so you can look out for those if you're interested. So as always, leave your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, and also check me out on Patreon. Making videos, it takes a lot of time and effort, and I have a Patreon account. If you can check me out there and possibly support me, that'd be great. Also, I have started uploading some PDFs. I have one for now, which is the general guidelines for the installation of floor tile. It's just a general, it just talks about floors in general and all the requirements that you really need to follow to have a successful install without any problems. So as I said, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and look for future videos of this shower going together. Thanks a lot.